Hi there, need to learn how to set row 1 to print at the top of every page in Excel? Let me help. Hey, I'm Sharyn from Excel at Work, where we offer straightforward, non-technical assistance to help you save time, work smarter and improve your Microsoft Office skills. So let's look at how to set row 1 to print on every page of your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This feature is called Print Titles and it's fantastic. It saves you from having to copy and paste your column headings wherever there is a page break in your worksheet. I'll show you how to set it up and how to remove it, because sometimes you can come across a file where someone else has set the print titles already and you may need to modify their settings or maybe remove the settings altogether. Now, if you're using my 100+ steps to Proficient workbook to improve your Excel skills, I've popped the topic number this video relates to in the description box below. If you haven't yet claimed a copy of this workbook, I've also added a link to where you can grab yourself a copy. Right, let's look at how to set row 1 to print on every page. Okay, let's have a look at this report in Print Preview. So I'm just going to pop my little Print Preview button on so it's quick and easy to use that. Of course, I could go File Print if I wanted to, but we can just get straight to it from there if we need to. Right, here we go. We're looking at a 2-page report, and at the top of the first page we can see our heading row, row 1. But when we go through to page 2, unfortunately we lose our heading, which can be so painful because all of a sudden we don't know what each one of these columns is actually referring to. What is it? You know, is it the invoiced amount or what are we looking at? And it can be so painful. So let me show you how you can have this print at the top of every page. So good, right? Now I'm just going to come out of here, and I do see a lot of people do this. Once you've been into Print Preview, you probably know this already. If I just come down, you will actually see where the page break is going to be. So I see people come and they'll copy this. I'll just do a normal copy. They'll come all the way down to where the page break is and they'll paste that in here. No, we're not going to do that anymore, okay? So if that's you, we're not doing that anymore. So I'm just going to hit my escape key and we'll come out of here. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to the page layout tab, we're going to print titles. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click under the print titles here, we're going to rows to repeat at top, and we're going to click our insertion point into that box. Now with the insertion point in there, we're now going to make our way up to row 1. Just make sure you've got your arrow over row 1 and click, and you will select it and you put the reference for row 1 into that box. Now clicking onto OK, and we'll make our way back to Print Preview. Let's do it the long way. So print, and I'm just going through to page 2. Look at that. So good, right? Okay, so if there were more pages, it would just keep on repeating at the top of every page. So easy and so good. Now, sometimes you will receive files from people that actually have these turned on, and you'll be looking in your data, you'll be looking through your data table and going, where the heck is that heading coming from? Why is it repeating? And now you know why it's repeating. It's really easy to get rid of them. You just come up to Print Titles. So again, Page Layout tab, Print Titles, and you just delete the reference out of the Print Titles area. Click onto OK. Or actually, we can just go Print Preview from here if we want to. So I'm just going to go to Print Preview, and you will see when I go through to page 2, we no longer have our print titles. So easy to put them on, so easy to take them off, yeah? So I hope that's been helpful. So I really hope this instruction has been helpful and you are now able to set up your print titles and remove them if you need to. Now, if this has been helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you use Excel and want to stay connected, please consider liking, following, subscribing, because I'm sharing new videos regularly. And if you know someone who would benefit from this help, please be sure to share this video with them. Hey, thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.